Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make miso soup at home, updated. Start by simmering dashi for 5 minutes, then add tofu and wakame, gentle heat preserve. Use kombu and bonito flakes for classic dashi, or substitute instant dashi granules for speed and convenience. Soak kombu in cold water for 30 minutes, then heat slowly and remove before boiling to prevent bitterness. Add bonito flakes, steep briefly, and strain for clear broth. For vegetarian option, use dried shiitake and kombu steeped longer for rich umami, and always taste before adding miso to control seasoning and adjust texture. Quick recommendation. If you enjoy sipping warm broth and staying hydrated, the Owala water bottle keeps cold drinks cold and slips easily into most cup holders. Seriously. It's durable, leak-resistant, and really perfect for tasting soup between stirs without ruining your napkin. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Measure miso by flavor, typically 1 tablespoon per cup of broth, and taste as you go for balance. Remove pot from heat before adding miso, whisk in a little broth to make a slurry, then return gently to warm without boiling. Add tofu and wakame near the end to preserve texture, and serve immediately in pre-warmed bowls topped with scallions and a drizzle of sesame oil for extra aroma every spoon.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.